Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can easily transfer files between two devices or cross device clipboard, you can say. For example, if you take a picture through the camera of this mobile, okay, and now you want to transfer it to this laptop just within a flash, just with drag and drop like this, almost like this. You can do it, and this I'm doing with the Motorola Smart Connect, and this is the Realme phone, not the Motorola phone. So what I did is, on the laptop, first of all, this is my Lenovo laptop only. I just search for Smart Connect, and by default this app is already available on my laptop. So if it is not available on your laptop, what you can do is you can go to the Microsoft Store on your laptop and just search for the Smart Connect app here and just try to install it. Okay, Smart Connect, see here, Smart Connect is the app here. Sorry, Smart Connect, yeah, Smart Connect, it's been already installed. So just open it, okay, and on your mobile do the same. If it is your Moto, directly here in the options it will be available, Moto H60, H50 Fusion or something like that. If it is other brands, just go to the Play Store and try to install this. I already installed the app, and I'll be just opening that Smart Connect app, which is already installed on my mobile. So yeah, uh, first of all I need to just connect this. So I'll be clicking on add a device, then it is the PC or the laptop, and I'll be clicking on the continue pairing. Okay, continue pairing, and here I need to scan something. So what I'll do is, I'll be clicking on this plus symbol. So I'm adding a new phone so that I'll get this QR code scanning. Yeah, it is pairing now. So I'm the first step is connect these both devices. Okay, Raj is the device name. Okay, this laptop name, and it's been connected. Okay, it's been connected. What I can do is I can tap on this. There are few instructions going on. See here, seamless transfer. So there is an option called share hub here. Tap on that, and there is a share hub option here. So just select that both. Okay, this is the share hub pop-up appears here, and here also we'll click on the next here, as this is the first time I'm doing. Not every time you'll see this. See here, immediately a drag and drop appeared here. So what I'll do is I'll be quickly clicking a picture here. Maybe I'll just take the photo of this. Okay, yeah, I'll open this and I'll go to the gallery. I'll just slide this like this, so that where is this, first of all let me open this tray. Sorry, where is this Smart Connect? Yeah, this is the Smart Connect app. I'll be clicking on this drag and drop. I'll be placing it over here, and I'll be just going to my gallery or the internal storage, and see here it is the drag and drop. So I'll be just dragging this, and I'll try to drop this over here, and immediately see here, yeah, see, you can observe this is the picture. I can just download this with this download symbol. Download. Okay, so just drag and drop. See here, the 4 photos have been selected here. That's the reason these 4 have been transferring. Maybe I can just try to push only one image, but there were 4 Yeah, see, this is the video. This is the picture which I have just took now, and I'm trying to download this. My internet is a bit slow. First of all, let me tell you one thing. This phone and this laptop should be connected to the same Wi-Fi, and both should have the Smart Connect app. And both here you need to open Share Hub here on the computer and here on the mobile. Then drag and drop to that tray, drag and drop tray. That's it, you'll get this. And you may ask, where does this file downloads appear? You need to click on these three bars here, then click on the downloads here, and this is where you'll see all the images. See here, I'll try to open this one. Yeah, this is the picture what I have just took on this mobile. I'll be showing you. See, this is the picture. Okay, sorry, photos. Yeah, this is the picture. Okay, if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.